Hi guys, it's Richie from Driftomaniacs here on one very cold and snowy New Jersey day here. This is my Axial Deadbolt coming out to play in the snow finally. And as ever, any comments you've got or any questions you've got about the video or suggestions you want to make for maybe alterations to the car, then please do go ahead. Traction. Digging in. Well, as ever, we're now inside, drying out, warming up rather. If you did like this video, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.